Welcome, and thank you for joining us. Over the next few minutes, we're going to open the actual DreamzCMMS RFID App and portal and walk through how an asset management business, whether you have one warehouse or 50, uses it to track every asset with complete accuracy and real-time visibility. From the moment an asset arrives, through internal movements and transfers between locations, to the day it is retired, every stage of the asset lifecycle is recorded and managed in one centralized platform. This is the real system your team would use every day to improve asset visibility, reduce losses, eliminate manual tracking, and maintain accurate inventory across your entire organization. Every asset's journey starts with getting it into the system. For a single item, Register does the job. Select the product, the location, and if you track assets at that level of detail, the building, department, setting, and room. Capturing this information during registration ensures every asset is accurately recorded from day one, making it easier to locate, manage, and maintain throughout its entire life cycle. For a full shipment at once, bulk serialization takes over. Select the location, the product, and the expected quantity, then hit Continue to scan. From there, it's as simple as pointing the handheld RFID scanner at the stock. Switch to multi-scan, and every tag within range is captured in seconds, no matter how large the shipment is. For anything that hasn't been RFID tagged yet, the same scan screen also supports a quick barcode or QR code scan as a fallback. This speeds up asset registration while reducing manual effort and scanning time. Once your stock is registered, checking it is just as simple. Open inquiry, select the location, and scan. Instantly see everything on hand, right down to the individual item. Need to find one specific item fast? That's where Asset Locator comes in. Type in the serial number, product number, or simply search by RFID, and the app guides you straight to it. No more hunting through the stockroom. Find assets faster and improve operational efficiency. Moving stock between departments or rooms within the same location? The Move feature handles that. Select the location, the department, the product, and scan to confirm the transfer. Every movement is recorded instantly, ensuring accurate asset tracking. Next, let's go through how to dispatch and receive, where the system becomes especially powerful for any asset management business operating across multiple locations. Say you're moving stock from a central warehouse to a store or directly between two warehouses. From the warehouse side, open Dispatch, select the From location and the destination location, add a dispatch note if needed, and scan every item that's being sent out. Each item is now logged as in transit, tied to a unique dispatch reference number. On the receiving side, at the store, open Receive, select your location, and simply choose the matching dispatch reference number. Scan the incoming stock to confirm it has arrived, and it's automatically added to that store's inventory. No spreadsheets, no phone calls to confirm what was shipped. The system tracks the entire transfer from end to end. We'll also see the complete audit trail for this in the reports coming up in Part 2. This provides complete visibility and traceability for every stock transfer. Now, when an asset reaches the end of its life cycle, whether it's damaged, lost, or retired, Unregister removes it from the active inventory with the same quick scan. This keeps your inventory accurate and up to date. Once a product is out on the shelf, the system doesn't stop watching. At the store exit, a fixed RFID antenna reads every item passing through in real time. If an item that hasn't been allocated and is still marked as an active asset passes through that exit, the system instantly triggers an alarm and a red light at the gate. Every triggered event is logged with a timestamp and the asset details. In Part 2, we'll show you the web dashboard, where your team can monitor every antenna across every store in real time. This helps prevent unauthorized asset removal and improve security. Now, let me show you how asset allocation works. Whenever an item needs to be checked out for use, rather than moved or sold, select the asset, choose the employee it's being issued to, along with their department, and add a purpose or comment if needed. Scan to confirm, and the item is instantly marked as allocated, linked to that employee, with a clear record of who has it, when it was issued, and why. When an allocated asset is no longer needed or the employee is returning it, deallocation reverses the process. Search by employee or by the item itself, scan to confirm, and it's released back into available inventory, ready to be allocated again or moved as needed. Just like every other transaction in the system, every allocation and deallocation is time-stamped and logged, so you always know exactly where an asset has been and who has used it. This ensures complete accountability for every assigned asset. So, to recap, stock is tracked through register and bulk serialization, checked instantly through inquiry and asset locator, moved internally through move, transferred between locations through dispatch and receive, issued and returned through asset allocation and deallocation, and finally removed from active inventory through unregister. All of this is backed by fixed RFID readers at checkout and exit points, providing a complete, tamper-proof record. That's the app your warehouse and floor teams use every day. Now, let's switch over to the web portal. This is where your management team gets the complete picture and monitors everything in one place.